The Northern Lights metal displacement reaction was a new one on me, so thanks for whoever suggested that we look at this. It takes simple aluminium foil and copper chloride. Now, as most chemists will be aware, aluminium foil contains an impervious layer of aluminium oxide which hides the true reactivity of the aluminium. To remove the aluminium oxide, you need a lot of chloride ions. So in this experiment, the chloride ions come in the form of hydrochloric acid. So we make up the hydrochloric acid by adding some water in, followed by the hydrochloric acid in concentrated form. Always add acid to water if you're making a dilution, avoiding splashback. We then put in the copper chloride. We were using anhydrous copper chloride, hence it looks like a brown material rather than the usual blue hydrated copper chloride. Both seem to work. Lightly scrunch up the aluminium foil, put it into the container. A displacement reaction will occur, but you also get a competing reaction as the acid reacts with aluminium to form hydrogen. Now, in a litre container, producing hydrogen where there's oxygen present because of air could cause a bit of a bang, so a safety screen and full face visor is probably required. We worked out that if you let it react at normal room temperature for at least a minute, we could burn off the hydrogen rather than explode the hydrogen. And you can do this 2 or 3 times. We certainly couldn't do it the 4th time. In burning the hydrogen, we're also getting some of the copper flame colour going on, hence the blue-green and the Northern Lights idea. The colour flash is very quick. It looks much better when you slow-mo the video. Now, depending on your students, of course, we are potentially confusing 2 pieces of chemistry here. We have the displacement, as is fairly obvious by the copper coating on the aluminium foil at the end of the reaction, but then we're also getting hydrogen being produced at the same time. So if you are going to use this experiment, you need to point out and concentrate on one bit of chemistry or the other. The clear up was straightforward. We simply filtered off this solid waste using a piece of lab roll and diluted and put the solution waste down the sink, or as local safety conditions, health and safety conditions require.